Good morning. Time to train Raisi. He's very relaxed today, so I hope he stays that way. Goed zo, Raisi. And he's getting darker and darker. And there he goes. Goed zo, Raisi. Raf. Braaf. Raf. Oh, stappen. Goed zo. Oh my. The only thing he finds very difficult is to stand still. So I can't film that because I need two hands. Maybe later. Goed zo, braaf. Oh. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Braaf. Okay. When I stand still with him, he always wants to walk backwards. But now it's getting better and better. Goed zo, braaf. I would say every time it's getting better and better. But there's Bella, so he wants to stand there. Oh, goed zo, braaf. Stappen. No. Goed zo, braaf. Kom. Goed zo, braaf. Oh, stappen. Hallo? Goed zo. Kom. Kom. Goed zo. Kom. Braaf, super. He's a bit wobbly now because he's scared this way. Now it's better. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, you can go inside. Oh. 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 Goed zo, braaf. Time to clip Sally. Raisi. Rijntje. Dolly. Sally. En Elvis. En Cor. En Tyrone. Hello? Oh, be careful. It's Dolly, Rijntje. Oh, that's Rijntje, sorry. Elvis, Sally. Duits, Belia en Adeline. Tajarijn, Reisi, Sally, Elvis, Rijntje en Dolly. And I need Elvis. The farrier comes to see if he has white in his hoofs. That's a thing they do with colts. So we're going to check that if they come. Hop, 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 hop. Hey, Reisi. Tajarijn. Rijntje. Dolly. Elvis. En Sally. Hey. Hallo? Be careful. Kom. Kom maar. Hop, 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 hop. Kom. Hey, Dolly. So Sally. Elvis. Tyrone. Rijntje. Dolly. I think Rijntje is in love with her own son. Kom maar. Oh, Sally! Hey! Very mean. If they want, Tyrone and Reisy can stay. Hey. Peach. Aww. Yeah, I thought. Yes. You can go out again. Bye. Well, I hope it goes okay. Rijntje has to go in the stall too. Maar Rijntje. In the box. Go to your stall. Good so. Well, maybe I can bring them to the pasture again. But I'm not for sure. Hello? Come on. Come up. Yes. Hey, Yvonne. I thought they can walk here for a moment because they were in front of the fence. Bella. En Blomke. En Boukje. Hey Bella. Hello. Look at them. Friends. Hey Boukje. Yvonne, you are getting big. Whoa. 167. 68? I'm 173. I'm not for sure. Whoa, and this is Bella. Bella is even bigger. But we already knew that. Peach. Oh, be careful. Daisy. I gave them some extra grass over there. It's Glendy. Hey. But not too much because they are too big, too heavy. But they are so sweet. So every time I give them too much. Oops. But a little bit is okay. And they also have a very thick coat already. Whoa. But Glendy is too big, too fat. Okay, that was that. Hey. And I wanna tell you what I'm doing with Elvis. I sold him. Sometimes a horse has to go and someone wanted to buy him. Only if the hoofs were not white and only if he has two testicles. That's necessary when he will become a stud. But maybe. You never know. Hey, goed zo. So I will call the new owner to make an appointment to bring him there. Or maybe they get him. But I think it's not that nice. No, sorry. Oh. Okay, they want to go inside too. Come. Hi, Elvis. Okay, I contacted his new owner and I said it's possible to get him home, but it's not necessary to do it right away. So he said, well, maybe he can stay a bit longer and I will call you if I can have him home. So he can stay a bit longer, but I don't know for how long. Maybe one day, maybe 1 week, maybe 1 month. We shall see. Hey, Elvis. But Elvis has to go to the stall there for the night. Hey, Sally. Hey. So I take out Elvis, and then all the horses get some pellets. Sally a bit less. Hey. Okay, that's how easy the halter is on, and how easy he goes with me. Hey, Sally. Normally she's always lying. No, not today. Yes. Tie it on. Hey, Boefke.